सम्पूर्ण दर्शकबिनहरूलाई नमस्कार। आज म प्रदेश लोकसेवा आयोग स्थानीय सरकारी सेवा अन्तर्गत प्राविधिक तर्फ कृषि सेवा, कृषि प्रसार, बाली संरक्षण समूह अधिकृत स्तर 6औं तह पदको खुला प्रतियोगितात्मक लिखित परीक्षा मिति 2069 साल 9 महिना 22 गते सोधिएका प्रश्नहरूको उत्तर लिएर आइसकेको छु। कृपया यो भिडियो अन्तिमसम्म सुनेर ज्ञान बटुल्नुहुन्छ भन्ने म ठुलो आशा राख्दछु। प्रश्न नम्बर 1, Which of the following is main problem of current agriculture in Nepal? Option A, climate change. Option B, rising cost of production. Option C, low productivity. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question 2. In the history of agriculture in Nepal, the first national agriculture sample census carried out in option A 1957 AD, option B 1961 AD, option C 1965 AD, option D 1967 AD. The right answer is option B 1961 AD. Question 3. Currently, institutional structure that looks after plant quarantine is under option A, federal level, option B, local level, option C, province level, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option A, federal level. Question 4. T&B extension system was initially started in option A, Chittagong and Makwanpur, option B, Chittagong and Parsa, option C, Bara and Chittagong, option D, Bara and Parsa. The right answer is option D, Bara and Parsa. Question number 5. Which was not among the priority outputs of Agriculture Perspective Plan APP? Option A, high value crops, option B, agribusiness, option C, agrotourism, option D, forestry. The right answer is option C, agrotourism. Question number 6. Farmers' participation in technology development was comparatively more in which of the following extension approach? Option A, training and visit, option B, block production program, option C, farming system research and extension, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, farming system research and extension. Question number 7. Which of the following is the basic function of institution under Council for Technical Education and Vocational Training CTVT? Option A, bachelor and master degree courses in agriculture, option B, training of mid-level agriculture technician, option C, both of the above, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option B, training of mid-level agriculture technician. Question number 8. NARC Executive Board is chaired by option A, Executive Director, option B, Secretary, Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock, option C, Vice President of National Planning Commission, option D, Minister or State Minister of Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock. The right answer is option A, Executive Director. Question number 9. Headquarters of International Maize and Wheat Improvement Center (CIMIT) is located in option A. Nigeria, option B. Peru, option C. Colombia, option D. Mexico. The right answer is option D. Mexico. Question number 10. Decentralization is option A. Transfer of power to NGO, option B. Transfer of power to INGO, option C. Transfer of authority and responsibility to lower level, option D. None of the above. The right answer is option C. Transfer of authority and responsibility to lower level. Question number 11. What is the crop insurance premium subsidy percentage of federal government in the fiscal year 2078 to 79? Option A 70, option B 75, option C 80, option D 90. The right answer is option C 80. Question number 12. System of rice intensification (SRI) in rice is the technology for option A. Climate change adaptation, option B. Climate change mitigation, option C. Both of the above, option D. None of the above. The right answer is option C. Both of the above. Question number 13. Relay cropping is a part of integrated crop management practice means option A. Growing of same crop after its harvest in same land, option B. Growing of more than 2 crops from same land, option C. Growing of crop on the same land before the harvest of preceding crop, option D. All of the above. The right answer is option C. Growing of crop on the same land before the harvest of preceding crop. Question number 14. Conservation of agricultural biodiversity is most essential due to major function of option A. Conserving pollinators, option B. Developing new crop varieties, option C. Soil protection, option D. All of the above. The right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 15. Average size of land holding in Nepal is option A. 0.48 hectare, option B. 0.68 hectare, option C. 0.86 hectare, option D. 0.96 hectare. The right answer is option B. 0.68 hectare. Question number 16. Global warming is becoming too alarming to overlook, which plays a critical role in option A. Whole agricultural production system, option B. Whole agriculture productivity system, option C. Whole agriculture planting system, option D. Whole agriculture harvesting system. The right answer is option A. Whole agricultural production system. Question number 17. Which district has more area for potential river basin farming? Option A. Jhapa, option B. Sunsari, option C. Kanchanpur, option D. Saptari. The right answer is option D. Saptari. Question number 18. Subtropical zone of Nepal ranges in altitude from option A. 70 to 700 meter above sea level, option B. 700 to 1000 meter above sea level, option C. 700 to 1500 meter above sea level, option D. 700 to 1200 meter above sea level. The right answer is option C. 700 to 1500 meter above sea level. Question number 19. The Crop and Livestock Insurance Directive were prepared in the year option A. 2067 BS, option B. 2069 BS, option C. 2071 BS, option D. 2073 BS. The right answer is option B. 2069 BS. Question number 20. Which one of the following is not correct about organic farming? Option A. It uses genetically modified seeds. Option B. It uses minimal crop rotation. Option C. It uses synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 21. Self-sufficiency in rice has been mentioned 15 plan. What is the target of additional rice production in the plan period? Option A. 10 lakh ton. Option B. 20 lakh ton. Option C. 5 lakh ton. Option D. 7.5 lakh ton. The right answer is option A. 10 lakh ton. Question number 22. Which is the largest production unit under Prime Minister Agriculture Modernization Project PMAMP? Option A. Block. Option B. Zone. Option C. Super zone. Option D. Pocket. The right answer is option C. Super zone. Question number 23. Which of the following is seed replacement rate SRR target for 2025 as per the National Seed Vision 2013 to 2025? Option A. 15%. Option B. 20%. Option C. 25%. Option D. 30%. The right answer is option C. 25%. Question number 24. According to the Pesticide Management Act 2019 AD, the expiry date of license granted to the pursuant to produce, synthesize, export or packing of pesticide is valid for? Option A. 1 year of first issue. Option B. 2 years of first issue. Option C. 3 years of first issue. Option D. 4 years of first issue. The right answer is option C. 3 years of first issue. Question number 25. Which of the following province is not included in Rural Enterprise and Economic Development Project? Read. Option A. Bagmati. Option B. Karnali. Option C. Gandaki. Option D. Far West. The right answer is option B. Karnali. Question number 26. When did Nepal government approve latest Environment Protection Act? Option A. 2045. Option B. 2054. Option C. 2076. Option D. 2077. The right answer is option C. 2076. Question number 27. What is the minimum number of super zone targeted under PMAMP? Question number 27. What is the minimum number of super zone targeted under PMAMP at the end of the project? Option A. 24. Option B. 19. Option C. 21. Option D. 16. The right answer is option C. 21. Question number 28. In 2058, which policy was promulgated? Option A. Seed. Option B. Plant protection. Option C. Fertilizer. Option D. Environment. The right answer is option C. Fertilizer. Question number 29. Which institution has assigned for a contact point Codex Alimentarius Commission in Nepal? Option A. Department of Livestock Service. Option B. Department of Agriculture. Option C. Department of Food Technology and Quality Control. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is option C. Department of Food Technology and Quality Control. Question number 30. Which is the instrument of agreement on South Asian Free Trade Area (SAFTA) implementation? Option A, Trade Liberalization Program. Option B, Rule of Origin. Option C, Safeguards Measures. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option B, Rule of Origin. Question number 31. Which of the following methods is generally used in Nepal for determining yield of cereal crops? Option A, household survey. Option B, crop cut survey. Option C, use of remote sensing technology. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option B, crop cut survey. Question number 32. Which of the following variety is more suitable for spring rice? Option A, Makwanpur 1. Option B, Khumal 4. Option C, Ardinath 1. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option C, Ardinath 1. Question number 33. The availability of soil micronutrients, namely Question number 33. The availability of soil micronutrients, namely increases when soil is strong acidic. Option A, iron, manganese, zinc. Option B, iron, copper, molybdenum. Option C, copper, molybdenum, boron. Option D, copper, molybdenum, zinc. The right answer is option A, iron, manganese, zinc. Question number 34. Which of the following bee species is comparatively more efficient pollinator in crop production? Option A, Apis mellifera. Option B, Apis dorsata. Option C, Apis cerana. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option A, Apis mellifera. Question number 35. Which of the following is not considered as the objective of IPNS for the sustainable soil fertility management? Option A, utilize locally available resources. Option B, enhance and sustain soil health. Option C, improve soil fertility using major chemical fertilizers. Option D, restore organic matter in soil. The right answer is option C, improve soil fertility using major chemical fertilizer. Question number 36. Which of the following is not the correct purpose of using cold chain for fresh agricultural product? Option A, to impair the spoilage of perishable product. Option B, to increase the activity of microbiological chains. Option C, to prevent browning and loss of the texture. Option D, to decrease the physiological changes inside product. The right answer is option B, to increase the activity of microbiological changes. Question number 37. A commercial farmer is interested in higher return from his or her enterprise. What will be the aim to maximize is? Option A, gross profit. Option B, maximum income. Option D, farm business profit. Option D, net profit. The right answer is option D, the net profit. Question number 38. Trichogramma species are natural enemy, can be used in IPM to control eggs of butterflies and moths, called option A, predators. Option B, parasites. Option C, antagonistic. Option D, defenders. The right answer is option A, predators. Question number 39. The minimum weight of submitted sample during lab test for paddy seed must be option A, 1000 gram. Option B, 700 gram. Option C, 600 gram. Option D, 500 gram. The right answer is option B, 700 gram. Question number 40. one of the serious disease in the Brassicaceae family of Sindhua area of Dhankuta. Option A, club root. Option B, black rot. Option C, alternaria. Option D, nematode. The right answer is option A, club root. Question number 41. Organic matter in soil does not. Option A, decrease cation exchange capacity CEC in a soil. Option B, chelates micronutrients such as zinc, manganese and copper. Option C, buffers extreme acidity, salinity and alkalinity. Option D, affects the breakdown of pesticides and weedicide. The right answer is option A, decrease cation exchange capacity in a soil. Question number 42. Principle of conservation agriculture are option A, minimal soil disturbance. Option B, maintaining soil cover. Option C, improve crop rotation. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 43. The banned pesticide metacid is chemically known as option A, Mirex. Option B, DDT. Option C, Borate. Option D, methyl parathion. The right answer is option A, Mirex. Question number 44. Which of the following is denotified wheat variety? Option A, Annapurna 2. Option B, Vijaya. Option C, Achut. Option D, Sargadwari. The right answer is option A, Annapurna 2. Question number 45. Rapid removal of field heat from the fruits shortly after the harvest is best expressed at the term. Option A, deep cooling. Option B, pre-cooling. Option C, washing. Option D, deep freezing. The right answer is option B, pre-cooling. Question number 46. Muriate of potash MOP is not recommended for option A, vine crops. Option B, leguminous crops. Option C, bulb crops. Option D, solanaceous crops. The right answer is option A, vine crops. Question number 47. Which breeding process is followed to prepare or produce registered true potato seed variety TPS1 and TPS2? Option A, tissue culture. Option B, hybridization. Option C, cytogenesis. Option D, embryogenesis. The right answer is option B, hybridization. Question number 48. Which is not the principle of SRI methodology of paddy plantation? Option A, use of herbicides. Option B, enrich soil with organic matter. Option C, control irrigation. Option D, young and healthy plant establishment. The right answer is option A, use of herbicide. Question number 49. Which is not a fungicide? Option A, abamectin. Option B, carbendazim. Option C, mancozeb. Option D, copper oxychloride. The right answer is option A, abamectin. Question number 50. Which one of the following crops has a maximum seed rate per hectare? Option A, rice. Option B, gram. Option C, wheat. Option D, maize. The right answer is option C, wheat. कृपया यति बेलासम्म सुनेर ध्यान दिएर सुन्नुभएकोमा धन्यवाद।